Hey folks, happy Thanksgiving. I was going to run down this Suckit dust boot from Onefinity CNC. I got the whole woodworker set up and I got to working on this morning. Super simple. It's like, well, there's 3 screws hold this plate on. You got to put in the brush. You just mold it around there. It slips into the little slot. Then you put your brackets on here. 2 screws, and it captures the dust boot or the brush in there. Pretty slick setup. And then the brackets are just 2 thumb screws. Sorry about that. Acorns off the roof. And then you set the bracket in behind here. Let me show you right quick. I'll start on this side so you get to see what's going on. Get the thumb screw started. See here, it's got a little ridge. You just slide that in the back of that slot. You take your thumb screw through the bracket mount. Sets in like there. Get her started. You want a little slack in there first. Then it slides in. 2 slots got magnets. Boop, boop. You can adjust your depth according to your material. Look at that. And that's it. I don't have my hoses and all set up yet, but I just got this done this morning. I thought it was going to take a little longer. Probably 15 minutes total. Just toughest part was to get the brush stuck in. Well, actually the toughest part was getting the protective film off the acrylic of the little shield in there. But the dust, the sweeper, the brush, it took a little bit to get up in there. But yeah, nothing to it really. Nice setup. We'll see how she runs here in a little bit. I gotta still work on a spoil board, and then we're almost ready. Well, thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, subscribe. There's going to be more. A lot more. All right, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.